Lately, there's been a lot of talk about the endocannabinoid system, or ECS. But what is the ECS and how does it impact our health? The ECS is a complex cell signaling network that helps govern sleep patterns, mood, metabolism, nervous system health, and more. It relies on signaling molecules called endocannabinoids, but as we age, ECS activity is believed to decline. To help maintain healthy ECS function, Life Extension created our EndocannabinoidSystem booster. This once-daily formulation is packed with nutrients that help boost the activity of naturally occurring endocannabinoids without CBD, hemp, or THC ingredients. It supports youthful ECS function by targeting certain enzymes that break down and reabsorb naturally occurring endocannabinoids. This allows EndocannabinoidSystem Booster to promote harmony between biological systems while supporting whole body comfort and neurological health. It also helps promote restful sleep patterns and regulates metabolism and appetite. Share EndocannabinoidSystem Booster from Life Extension with your clients today and show them a great way to support their youthful endocannabinoid system function.